application process is super easy. Really, it's just we want to get to know more about you, the classes you've taken, and your general love for technology or programming by itself. Other than that, you attach your resume as well. And it's okay if you don't have a fully filled out resume. We understand that. And part of the Project Maverick experience is that we're going to help you build that resume up.
So you can go to mavericksoftware.com/apply and just click on the link, and the resume goes right to Ryan in this space, and then he'll give you the procedures for scheduling an interview, and it's very simple. So we encourage everyone to apply.
If you're even slightly interested in the program whatsoever, please apply. The sooner you apply, the sooner you can get a chance to come on in and interview.
I would say absolutely apply, because Ryan interviews every single person who applies.
If you're ready or not, I would just apply just to see where you're at.
At the very least, that technical interview is something that will be useful if you were to go elsewhere or any other company you might interview at.
Interview process can be sort of daunting, right? You probably never had a technical interview before. When you're done, they're going to continue to ask you questions until you can't answer them.
I was expecting to kind of be grilled with questions, and it just wasn't like that. It was more like a friendly conversation.
But Ryan was super helpful with it. It kind of relaxes you right when you walk in, and he's like, all right, let's just have like a conversation, just showcase what you know, and we'll go from there.
It's really, really friendly. Ryan's not gonna yell at you if you get a problem wrong.
It just felt a lot easier than I thought it would be.
The primary majors that we look for are any of the majors or degrees inside the CSET department, the Computer Science, Engineering, and Technology wing. However, that's not to say we won't hire any other majors. We really just focus on your love for programming and technology. If you have a great understanding of that, it really doesn't matter what your major is.
We run through vocabulary terms, so any terminology is relevant to data structures and/or algorithms.
Throw some code up on the board and just explain your ideas.
Vocalize what you're going through and things like that. It's kind of speak through your code.
Don't just make something up. Just say, hey, I don't know this, or I kind of know this, but I need more help with this, because they will definitely help you through it and work through it.
Even if you don't get the job, you still have that technical interview experience.
And even if you've interviewed previously, apply and interview again. The more experience that you'll get will highlight some of the areas that you can work on to focus on, help with your classes, or even potentially help with a future interview with us to get a spot in there.
Students go from being sort of uncertain to working, almost every day with industry professionals, and you just see them kind of blossom.
The training at Thomson Reuters can be overwhelming at first, but there is always a Maverick who happens to be graduating soon and will be training you before they leave.
They aren't expecting anything out of you in terms of training. They're just expecting you have an open mind and are ready to learn.
They trained me on everything they knew about the product, about the other developers at Thomson Reuters, and really just helped me fill their shoes. Learning that you get here is something that I'm going to be taking on for the rest of my career.
You'll be very happy with the decision you made to come interview with us, for sure.
So the sooner you apply, the sooner you can have a chance to come on in.